Hi, this is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. I'm a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a crystal therapist and an angel therapist, and I deal in number, chakra, and card healing. Okay, and you can contact me through my number 983 for personalized session, as I do most of my work online on calls. Or even you can connect through my page Divine Healing, which is the official page on Facebook from where I do all my work. This video is regarding the guidance to any life situations you might be facing right now. I have taken guidance from three different angel decks. One is the angelic answer, one are the messages from angel Raphael for you, and and the angel therapy. What you need to do to get over the situations. So you can see there are three piles over here. This is pile number 1 with 3 cards. This is pile number 2 with the green jade. This is pile number 3 with the rose quartz. So just close your eyes, centralize yourself, and see which pile you resonate with. And after that, you need to just take 2-3 beats, centralize yourself, and see which pile you connect to. And I'll be taking out guidance for one pile regarding what angels have message regarding any situation you are facing right now. So the guidance for the first pile is which has an amethyst crystal with it. The guidance is: first is choose a new direction. Exercise is the key. Have you asked your angels for help in this? So basically the guidance for you is that you need to choose a direction. So the angels are guiding you right now regarding any situation you are going through in your life, that you need to choose a new direction. Maybe the direction you are moving till now is not the correct path. Okay, so just change your direction, try to find out which is the best direction for you. And exercise is the key. So the angel Raphael is asking you do some exercise. You need to schedule your program, and when you call upon Archangel Raphael, they can help you to let you take out time to schedule your things, and also they can fund you, give you resources, so that you can join some exercises program. But for that you just need to call upon Archangel Raphael, so that Angel Raphael can help you. And see, even the third guidance is that only. Have you asked angels for help with this? So the angels are telling, have you ever asked any help from us? Because your angels want to help you with the situation. However, they required your permission before they intervene in your free will choices. So what is the angel saying? Angels are saying they are waiting. They need your permission to help you in any situation you are facing right now. But without your permission, they can't help you. So just invoke the angels and ask their assistance in any situation you are going through in your life. The next guidance is for the crystal with the pile with the green jade. So the guidance for you is: first card is opportunity, second card is improving health, and third card is ascended masters. So what does the opportunity card indicate over here? The angels are telling there are opportunities coming your way. So whatever you want to materialize in your life, It can be anything related to finances. It can be a house. It can be a friendship. It can anything you desire in your life. So an opportunity is coming to you, and just try to materialize it. And if you are facing any health conditions or going through any situations related to health in your health is about to improve. Your health is improving, and this is an assurance from Archangel Raphael regarding your health situation. And the third card is Ascended Masters, powerful, loving, and wise spiritual teachers are watching over you and guiding you. So the angels are saying that wise spiritual teachers are watching and caring about you. So whatever opportunity has unfold in front of you, try to grasp it, because you have even the support of the Ascended Masters upon you. The third guidance is for the pile with the rose quartz. So the guidance is get more information. Sober tea and heart chakra. So the guidance is that get more information. So basically the angels are guiding you that any situation you have inquired while taking out while seeing this asking this guidance. So for that you need to get more information regarding the situation, so that you can solve the situation, or you come to know what is actually right and wrong in the situation. With the second guidance, dear God and Archangel, thank you for adjusting my craving in healthy direction, so that I only desire life affirming food and beverages. So the angels are basically guiding you. Archangel Raphael is guiding you to just have only crave for healthy things and life affirming food and beverages. If you'll do that, it will help you to increase your mental and physical health in the coming time. And heart chakra, the answer that you seek is in your heart right now. Be open to giving and receiving love. So whatever situation you want an answer for, the angels are saying that answer is in your own heart, and it is in your heart right now. Be open to giving and receiving love. As you open your heart chakra, as you give love, you will receive love, and whatever information or whatever answer you need, that are stored in your heart itself. So these were the guidances for the from the three piles. I hope it could be of any help. If the guidances helped you, just comment in the comment box of the video, and even you can share this video with your loved ones. It's a timeless guidance. Whenever you see this video, you can take guidance from these situations. And for further personalized readings, you can contact me on my number 9837770092, or even to my page Divine Healing, Divine spelled DIIVINE, which is the official page from where I do my work. Recently, I have started my group in the name of Divine Blessings. It is a private group where I share everything related to spiritual and holistic modalities, and also tips and write-ups to bring positivity into your life. If you want to join it's a free group, even you can join that. And recently I have updated my public figure page also. If you want to join, you can even like that page, and do like and subscribe to my channel for getting updates of my videos from time to time. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, and I hope the guidance were of any help to you.